Hey. Ah. So you burn off all the hair and then you shave the hair after, yeah? Yeah. Oh.
And eat. We are making bride. He's shaving, you see?
Yeah.
So boil the water. We are not boiling the water here. It's not rural areas. Ah no. They know when you make the chicken in a cow.
When you cook coho, don't you take off the feathers first or do you burn it off?
Oh, Maria, Jesus, Maria. Oh, Maria, oh, Maria. Come here, Maria.
Pas fini, Félix.
Makalasa being corner. Ah, cheese from oh, no, this is a tasty thing. Fuck you, man. Because someone that I'm going no hair, man. Fucking hide it hair.
So you burn the hair off and then you shave it, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, and you wash it. Okay. Right, I will record more.
Are you going to send them to your father?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Sam.
I send the video to my father.
You send the videos?
Yeah, I'm a guy. So if he asks you, tell him.
If he asks you who is this one, are you going to say
The one who's talking?
your father? Yes.
You mean Zendile?
Yes. Will you say he's Zendile? It's going to be difficult for him to say Zendile. It's the expensive name. Shit.
Expensive name.
Sandala ya penu.
Good talk.
So what is this liquid thing?
Paraffin and a match and a pig head.
I see the video. Picture of your West Canada.
See this Benny in there.
Burn in the
Benny
hair.
there, yes.
My hand is going to arrive today.
Stop.
Video. So we need to appear here.
Give it on top.
Yes. No, you are ugly. We'll break the.
Yeah. Stop moving in front of the phone.
Like a red.
Right. More in a moment.
People can see that it's a person's meat. So can we? It can be a long pork.
Long pork.
It can be a long pork.
Where did you learn that phrase?
Long pork.
Yeah.
You're the one who told me, sir.
I was the one who told you?
Yeah.
So now they shave all the hairs off, yeah?
Yeah. And then after that they're going to cut
And
it.
sir, are you going to eat this?
Probably.
Yeah. Hey, you're going to eat this, sir.
Most likely.
Yeah, it is nice. It is things, sir. Yeah? Shave and shave and shave.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that.
They need sharper knives. Oh, there goes the penis.
Eh, mutana na mwana za cabbage. Usinyana, washamona tanda tena.
Oboya go. Yako. Ya baba hela ka tungu yani okay. Ndio aisheba. Inabo kuruka yabona yabo.
Eka kwa bebe fat.
Bata bisarasara tu.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, it's a video.
Yeah. See, nowadays.
What?
Nowadays, I can speak at 10 by 10. I can not 10 by 10.
Oh, they're the stomach muscles right there.
They're going to get jealous.
Who's going to get jealous?
At home.
At home?
Yes.
I doubt they're going to be jealous.
Yes, they're going to get jealous for you. They wish they could be there. They would wish they could be there. There's a fabric.
Do you ribs? Hey, Freaky has ribs.
Yeah. So many.
Ribs are here, and then those are muscles. Ribs are higher. Hey, I want to pick up the heart. Those are the abs right here. That is the chest.
Hello. Hey,
Intestines. The inside of a pig looks like the inside of you. A pig is very much like a person on the inside. Look at all those intestines. Nothing like the sound of a slaughtered animal. What's up?
A person is an animal.
Yes, a person is an animal. Because you use an axe on carcasses. Oh, bone splinters. Yay. Breaking open the pelvis so that they can remove the intestines, including the colon. Daddy.
That Basotho knows how to feed the pigs.
You're gonna hold it in with your fingers?
What are we to talk about? What's a little name?
Oh, liver and lungs.
From liver, lungs,
Yep, stomach.
small intestine.
Large, small, yeah. Hey, they look the same in the pig as it looks like with you. Hey, wait, no, don't cut it yet. I want to see it first. Hey, I want to take a picture of it. Hey, I will give it back.
They will say that.
Those are the lungs. So bloody. Hey, you can see inside the heart. Yeah. Hey, you're famous. Something out of Aliens or H.R. Geiger. Actually, I think that was probably his intention. Now we need is stick sharpened at both ends. Pig carcass in a wheelbarrow. I'm gonna call it.